My name is Cyrus Masange Nyabija. I'm the CC in charge of trade, industry, tourism and market in Kisii County. Today is a great day that we are celebrating Cooperative Day in Kisii County. It's World Cooperative Day when we join others, the millions in the world, in celebrating this important day, whereby corporates are coming together to look at the strides that they have made before or previously, and indeed, cooperative is the way to go. As I said, Kisii County cooperative movement have made strides, great strides, and as a county, led by His Excellency Governor, he has made commitment to ensure that he has improved cooperatives to ensure that it can touch every one of individual in the Kisii County, those communities.
Do housekeeping and celebrate the International Day of Cooperative. To look at where we as the cooperative movement of Kisii and what have we been able to do for the last 1 year, celebrate those cooperatives that have done well and look forward, plan on how we are going to look forward as a government to ensure that the movement of cooperative in Kisii is thriving as it has done for the last maybe 20 years. The movement, we are happy that we have done well for the last 1 year, and today as a government we are now looking forward to doing better than we have done for the last 1 year.
It is bridge the gap between the rural needs and the national aspiration as we move forward to better world. As the team said, today it has been a very beautiful day whereby we have joined our cooperatives movement, looking at behind what have we done and what is the future. The future holds for cooperatives whereby it moves in terms of improving the value chain, putting resources together, inclusiveness. We don't want to leave anybody behind. We urge everybody to join into cooperatives.
We know there are a few challenges our cooperatives are facing, and that is why we are here. There are those, we have had issues of membership, we have had issues of dormancy, we have had issues of, as it has been highlighted, issues to do with digital, moving forward with the digital era. But you see, that is why Wazir has said that he is encouraging that there is a bill at the Senate that is told at the Senate for the last 1 year that he intends to address some of those issues. And we also want to support what he has said, that if possible that bill should be fast-tracked so that at least we have a better document that will be able to support our movements.
What I want to urge, and urge the national government through the members of parliament, they need to fast-track policies that will make a neighboring environment for cooperative to thrive. Now I understand there is a cooperative bill that is going on in the Senate. They need to fast-track it to ensure that that bill comes out, to ensure that we can govern. Governance is strengthened in the cooperatives as we move to another level of improvement. Cooperatives played a vital role in making our products move to another level. And you have said, other speakers have said that the national government need to take keen interest on cooperatives and also move the bill that is in the Senate and fast-track it so that we can have a cooperative bill that will make the cooperative movement move to another level. Indeed, we urge our members of parliament to make policies that enable the cooperative to thrive in this country. That's when we urge them. These members don't need handouts. They need a neighboring environment to grow their crops and to do business.